my subscribers.
Oh, mommy to the rescue.
We have a package. It's from RolimateToys.com.
Wow. Open it.
Okay.
What's that?
It's the toaster set. Can you open it?
What can you say to Rolimate?
Thank you, Rolimate, for sending us the toaster. I'm gonna open it. We love it. I love it.
You haven't seen it yet.
We haven't seen it. Well, we did. We just kept an eye on it. No, don't walk. Don't move it. A knife?
A knife?
Oh, great. Oh, okay. What?
A butter?
No.
A toaster. It's so cute.
Let's play. Let's get out of the packaging. Help.
So it comes with what? Can you tell us?
There's plates, butter, and a knife, and a toaster, and the plates. 2 plates. Put the bread in. Okay, no. No, not yet, not yet.
So what is that?
It's a fruit spread. I want to cut it.
Strawberry?
No, that's not the toast. Cut. Use a knife. Just put it on the bread. We have 3 bread slices, a toaster, strawberry fruit spread, 2 plates, 4 pieces of butter, and 1 knife, and a toaster.
Oh, can you show us? How do you operate it?
Well, how to operate it is you put bread in the toaster, and you just see the button here in the other thingy, and you operate it. If you press this, it goes up.
Okay, can you try to put the bread for me? I want a toast. Place my order.
Once
have an
let's
order.
make Mom toast. Yeah. Okay, let's heat it.
Is it done?
Yeah, toasty. And
Like-
I'm gonna put on the fruit spread.
I want it more brown like me.
Yeah.
Where's the timer?
Oh. No, it'll come out at 4. Put them all back first.
Oh, there's a timer. Okay, 4 minutes.
5 minutes.
Ready. I want some butter, please, and strawberry fruit jam.
The other one not done. Strawberry fruit spread.
Spread, I mean.
One by one. Work it.
very nice.
With a knife.
Where's my knife, please?
Knife. Here is it. I don't cut it.
You wanna cut it for me?
Good.
Wow, there's a knife
Good.
too.
Good.
This is so cute.
No.
I wish Daddy can eat with us.
Good. Here, he's gonna get this.
Like a block of butter. I like the color. Do you like it?
This color is so nice. We love it. It's the best toy we had ever got.
What can you say to Rolimate?
Thank Thank you, Rolimate. We love it. And it makes us happy when you always send us toys, and we love that all the time. We had been looking forward to this, and we really wanted it. Well, we love toys a lot, and we like it a lot because we can play and have so much fun with our toys.
What do you tell the kids?
Hey kids, tell your mommy and daddy to buy Rolimate toys. We love it, and it's fun to play with it. Nice and very durable. It's non-toxic.